Hello friends, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today's day was the one of the best days for option buyers. I would say there was the Bank Nifty expiry and there was a one-sided down movement after 11 o'clock, right, on Bank Nifty. Also on Nifty, if you see, right from the start, right from the first 15 minutes candle, it was always indicating weakness and there was a continuous downside till the end of the trading session. So all in all, it was a one of the best days for option buyers. And if you have heard the video yesterday, I had said that the bias is towards negative for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I had also mentioned that today Nifty being Bank Nifty expiry and a previous day before Nifty expiry, we will see a downside movement as well, right? We'll see a one-sided movement as well, and that's exactly what had happened. And also we'll see the charts, and there is a one interesting thing which I had told yesterday, and that exactly the market played exactly like that. So we'll take a look at the daily charts for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also see how the markets played today. But before that, a disclaimer: all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame, and as you can see here, I had mentioned in the yesterday's video that the bottom of the channel may get broken today and we will see lower levels of 22,200 as well as 22,000, and that's exactly what has happened. And we have seen the bottom of the purple channel has been broken, and we also saw the two levels 22,200 as well as 22,000 retested, right? And also another target which I had mentioned and talked about was 21,877. However, the price traded close to that uh, level and then bounce back from there. The sentiment for Nifty is still negative for me, and tomorrow I think the key levels to watch out for on the lower side is 21,899, which is today's low, and also on the upper side it is 22,444. It looks very less likely that the bulls can control from here, even if the market opens gap up. I think there is some negative sentiment around floating around in the Indian market. So uh, even if the market opens gap up with a huge gap up, I think the sellers or anyone who would have held on to their positions, they will try to exit out from the positions or book profits, and that will lead to further low for the price further for price falling, right? For the fall of price, and the price will come down, and even the sellers will then jump in. So everyone who would have missed the opportunity to sell here will again try to jump in when the price opens gap up. So the key, if the price opens in between here, then I think it's going to be a range bound momentum. Tomorrow I'm expecting for Nifty, though it's an expiry, I'm expecting a highly volatile session, and we may see a inside candle. Even if it's a green one, I would expect it to be a small bodied or a medium bodied, but it's going to be an inside candle. That's what my uh, estimation is. If however the lower level, that is 21,899, breaks, then in that case that level 21,877, which was the estimated target for today, one of the targets for today, that will probably get breached and that will be taken out, and the next level is 21,788. If 21,788 also gets taken out tomorrow, then I think we are in for a ride till 21,500, roughly around 21,522 levels. So that is going to be a very big fall, but again, I would expect some consolidation now after these two selling sessions, and tomorrow being Nifty expiry, we may see high volatile session, and we may see movement on both sides, up as well as on downsides, and we may have some inside candle or a doji type of candle or small bodied candle. That's what my assumption is, right? Let's take a look at 50-minute chart to see how Nifty traded today. So right from the first candle of 15 minutes, we see that it was indicating weakness and it never recovered. And as you can see, there was a complete fall. Nifty today was more weak as compared to Bank Nifty. If you see, if you compare the points the fall of points for Nifty, you can see here that the Nifty fell almost 338 points, whereas Bank Nifty fell just 301 points. Usually it is the other way around, right? Nifty for if Nifty falls 50 or 100 points, then it's usually the Bank Nifty that falls 300 or 400 points. But now today, as you can see here, 338 points for Nifty is a very huge fall on a single day, 1.51% down roughly, right? So that's a very huge fall. Tomorrow I would expect some consolidation or a small bounce back, but not something that will take the price higher. Now this bottom of the purple channel, which has been acting as support all through, will now start to act as resistance. So it's important to see where market opens tomorrow and how it trades. For me, I think sell on rise is the strategy for Nifty. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was relatively stronger out of the two, but again, the sentiment was still negative, as I had said in yesterday's video. And yesterday's video I had also mentioned that the bottom of the the middle of the purple channel here will be retested, and that's exactly what has happened. And the next level which I had talked about was 46,444 levels, 46,500 to 46,444 levels, and tomorrow those levels might be the open targets, right? Tomorrow is Nifty expiry, so again, any movement on Nifty is also going to affect Bank Nifty as well. Bank Nifty it did not fall as much as Nifty because of the HDFC, I would say, because HDFC has held on to the Bank Nifty pretty well. Even Kotak, I think, was trading positive today. Even Bank Nifty was trading, even HDFC Bank was trading positive today. And I think the highest fall today for Bank Nifty was with Axis. Even ICICI Bank, I think, was trading positive, and SBI was trading negative. So all in all, I think these three banks, ICICI, HDFC, and Kotak, have held on to Bank Nifty. If these three banks tomorrow turn to be negative or start to trade negatively, then in that case we may see a further heavy downfall for Bank Nifty as well. The key levels to watch out for Bank Nifty tomorrow would be 46,833 on the lower side and 47,466 on the upper side. In between, the market is going to be a range bound session, and we may see some consolidation or some bounce back from this middle of the purple channel. However, the strategy or the sentiment for me for Bank Nifty is still negative, and the strategy would continue to be sell on rise. Once we have a close below the middle of this channel, then in that case the further targets for bottom of the purple channel open up, right? If tomorrow's low if the level 46,833 gets broken tomorrow, then in that case the immediate target would be 46 500 to 46 444, and followed by 46 366. These are the key levels to watch out for. If 46 366 also does not hold, then in that case we may see a further downfall till the bottom of the purple channel, and then it will be interesting to see whether this bottom of the channel holds and acts as a support, or whether it breaks and there is further downside, right? So that's how I see Bank Nifty trading. Let's take a look at 15 minutes chart to see how Bank Nifty traded today. So Bank Nifty was relatively strong as compared to Nifty, but the sentiment was still negative. And as you can see here, the first candle itself was uh, kind of a shooting star, not exactly a shooting star, but kind of a shooting star. But then there was this consolidation, and after 11 o'clock, this candle, after 11 o'clock, there was continuous downfall, and uh, we actually tested the middle of the purple channel, right? So all in all, I think the sentiment is still negative for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. However, tomorrow I would expect some consolidation for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, a little bounce back or little hope to the bulls, so that common retailers get trapped, and thereafter we may see further downfall. So tomorrow, it might be a green candle with a small body, or even a relatively medium body, if at all. If at all the price trades between the ranges, right? If the lower range breaks, then in that case I think it's going to be another red candle, and the targets which I had mentioned will be open. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones will be trading positive according to me, but again, if you see this, right, Dow Jones is trading positive, and it is also close towards the I mean, it is also at all-time high, almost near to the all-time high, and that is the reason why we saw a gap up opening as well, I think. I think for Nifty we had a gap up opening, and for Bank Nifty we had close to flat opening, right? Let me just check for Nifty. I think Nifty had a gap up opening. Yes, yes. So as you can see here, the close was 335, 22, 335, and this open was 432. So roughly 100 point, 90 to 100 point gap up opening we had, and that was majorly due to Dow Jones trading positively, right? So even today, Dow Jones is showing as trading positively. We still have 5 hours left for today's trading session, and uh, a lot of hours before our Indian markets open for tomorrow. So all in all, I think the global sentiment seems to be positive, but there is some news floating around for Indian markets, which is making the sentiment negative for now for the Indian markets, and that is the reason why even if we have a gap of opening tomorrow for Bank Nifty and Nifty, we may still see some downside, and there will be sellers present in the market to take the price lower. So that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether you whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you were able to trade today and capture the downside movement, and whether you made profits or whether you booked losses. And also, if there is anything else that you would want me to cover as part of these videos, right? And do like, do comment, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely reap profits from stock market. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.